Is this a lab rat or a lap rat? What is the difference between an ending B and an ending P? Let's find out. Usually, pronunciation just doesn't matter. Even when you pronounce a word wrong, a native speaker can still understand you. But sometimes it does matter. Sometimes bad pronunciation can cause misunderstandings. One place where I think pronunciation matters a lot is the ending P sound and the ending B sound. The ending P sound you can hear in words like stop, hop, crop, cop, cap, mop, crap. The ending B sound you will hear in words like cob, cab, mob, rob, sob. Listen carefully. Cap, cab. Can you hear the difference? Can you make the difference? When we say cap, the P sound, our voice stops the moment our mouth closes. Cap, cap. And when you say cab, the B sound, your voice stays for just a second longer. Cab, cab. Listen again. Cap, cab, cap, cab. Can you hear it? Why is this important? Let's see what happens when we pronounce it wrong. What do you want for dinner? I'd like some crap, please. Gross. That's not right. I mean, I'd like some crab, please. Do you see why it's so important? Let's practice your listening. I'll read 5 sentences and you write down the word you hear in each one. Number 1. I've heard Chicago has a mop problem. Number 2. Open the tab before you start. Number 3. Oh no, this tastes like crab. Number 4. Don't lop them off here, it'll make a mess. Number 5. Bring this robe over to your sister.